Hello. If you're watching this, there's a chance you're going through something really, really difficult. We're going to talk about what happens when your private world is suddenly made public online, and most importantly, what you can actually do about it.
Maybe it's a Facebook post, a photo, a video, something you never ever wanted the world to see. And now it's out there. That feeling of losing control, it's just awful.
You know, when this happens, it can feel like you're completely on your own. But I want to be crystal clear about this, right from the very beginning. You are not alone, and you are definitely not powerless. There is a path forward.
Right? Let's just sit with that feeling for a second, because it's so important to acknowledge. When your private life gets put on display for everyone to see, the damage isn't just a few pixels on a screen. It's so much deeper.
It's a real sense of violation, isn't it? It feels like a part of your own story has been ripped away from you, maybe even twisted. And feeling completely overwhelmed by that is, well, it's a totally normal reaction.
Okay, so let's shift gears from how this feels to what this actually is in the eyes of the law. What is a breach of privacy, really? It's a question that's absolutely central to getting your power back.
At its heart, it's pretty simple. It's about any information from your personal life that you'd reasonably expect to be kept, well, private. We're not talking about government secrets here. We're talking about your life, your details. And you might be surprised at how wide-ranging this is under UK law. We're talking about things like your sexuality, your relationships, even messy family arguments. It also gives really strong protection to your health information, both mental and physical, and of course, any private photos or videos. Now this is a big one. So many people think, well, they didn't use my actual name, so I guess there's nothing I can do. But that is absolutely not true. And this quote says it all. The legal test isn't, does the entire internet know it's you? It's much simpler. Can a small group of people, your friends, your family, your coworkers, figure out it's you? If the answer is yes, then your privacy has been breached. End of story. Now, I'm guessing you've probably already tried to deal with this yourself. And if you feel like you've just been hitting your head against a brick wall, getting nothing but automated replies, there's a really good reason for that. So you do the logical thing, right? You hit report on Facebook or whatever platform it is. But so often, nothing happens. Why? Because these giant companies often have their own set of policies that just don't match up with the strong privacy laws we have here in the UK. It's like you're playing by one rulebook and they're playing by another one entirely. But, and this is the most important part, this is where the story can completely change. Because while a social media platform might ignore you, the UK courts won't. There are real, solid examples of people fighting back and winning. Let's look at a real-life case to see what I mean. This wasn't some celebrity scandal. This was a private, painful, family argument with allegations posted in what was supposed to be a private Facebook group. It's a situation that could happen to anyone. So how many people saw this post? A few thousand? A few hundred? Nope. Just 35 people. A pretty small audience, all things considered. And how long was it even up? Only 3 hours. You'd be forgiven for thinking, well, 35 people for 3 hours. Maybe that's not a big deal legally.
Well, the High Court said it was a very big deal. It ruled that this was, without a doubt, a breach of privacy. And even more than that, the court ordered that the person targeted should be paid damages for the distress it caused. It was a powerful validation that their hurt was real and their rights mattered.
And that case is not a fluke. There's another famous one, GYH v. Persons Unknown, where the court protected a woman after a damaging and false claim about her health was posted online. The message from the courts, time and time again, is clear. Your right to privacy will be protected.
So you know the law's on your side. You've seen that it's possible to win. The big question now is, how? How do you actually start to take back your story and your privacy? Okay, here's the game plan. The first 2 steps, requesting removal and reporting the post, you've probably already done. But when those don't work, that's when the real power moves happen. Understanding your actual legal rights here in the UK, and then getting expert legal advice. And this is the main thing I want you to remember. You have the right to take back control. With the right legal team, this stops being a chaotic nightmare, and it becomes a clear, systematic process to get that information taken down for good. What's happened to you is wrong, but it does not get to be the end of your story. You hold the power to write the next chapter, to protect yourself, and to get your peace of mind back. So really the only question left is, are you ready to take that first step?